Why is the iPhone release date delayed to autumn in 2026? The shift breaks Apple's usual pattern and hints at bigger changes behind the scenes you need to know. The primary reason for the iPhone's delayed release in 2026 is ongoing supply chain challenges. Apple relies on a complex network of suppliers worldwide, and shortages in key components like advanced chips and display materials have slowed down manufacturing. Additionally, new features planned for the 2026 model require extensive testing, pushing back the production timeline. These delays ripple through the entire supply process, making autumn the earliest feasible launch window. Another factor is Apple's push for innovation. The 2026 iPhone is expected to feature major design changes like foldable displays and more sophisticated AI capabilities. These technologies are still maturing and require extra development and quality assurance. Apple prefers to delay rather than release undercooked products, which explains the later release date to ensure a polished, groundbreaking device. Finally, there's a strategic element to releasing in autumn. This period coincides with peak holiday shopping and key competitor launches. Apple often times its releases to maximize sales momentum and market attention. The slight delay to autumn 2026 could be a calculated move to dominate the premium smartphone market during the critical buying season, ensuring the new iPhone gets the spotlight it deserves. So the iPhone release delay to autumn 2026 is a mix of supply challenges, ambitious innovation, and smart market timing. Apple is taking extra care to deliver a cutting-edge device when the world is ready. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.